In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert thumbs up emoji in Outlook. If you want to add a quick, friendly acknowledgement to an email, the thumbs up emoji is a great choice. We'll do this in Outlook on the web, and the process is straightforward and reliable in any modern browser. Start by opening your browser and going to outlook.live.com. If you're prompted to sign in, do that first. Once you're in, make sure you're viewing mail so you can compose a message. If you're on another Outlook area like Calendar or People, switch back to Mail using the left sidebar. Click New Mail to open a fresh message. You'll see the Compose window with the two subject and message body fields. Click inside the message body where you want the emoji to appear. This part matters because the emoji will be inserted exactly at your cursor position. Along the top of the Compose window, find the toolbar and choose Insert. This reveals options for adding content into your message. From there, click Emoji to open the emoji picker. You'll see categories, a search field, and a panel of emoji. If you don't spot the thumbs up immediately, type thumbs into the search bar to narrow it down. In some layouts, you may see style variations. Pick the one you prefer. Select the thumbs up emoji and click it once. It will appear right where your cursor was placed. Need more than one? Click again to insert additional thumbs up. If you want the emoji to stand out, you can increase your message's font size using the formatting controls. The emoji scales with the text. For a clean professional look, consider placing the emoji after a short sentence or on its own line so it's easy to read and doesn't get lost in a paragraph. If you're working on a smaller screen and don't see insert, look for the three-dot More menu on the toolbar. The emoji option may be nested there. And if the emoji panel doesn't open, refresh the page or try an up-to-date browser. The thumbs up is a standard Unicode emoji, so most recipients will see it correctly, though style can vary slightly by device and app. When you're happy with the placement, continue writing your email as usual. Everything else, attachments, formatting, and links, works normally alongside the emoji. When you're done, send your message, and that friendly thumbs up goes with it. That's it. Go to Outlook, open a new message, choose Insert, click Emoji, and select the thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and enjoy adding a clear, positive touch to your emails.